Kristen King from the Investing Channel, and you're watching Pink Diamond, the show where we help you find the diamonds in the rough of the pink sheet and small cap market. This week, we're taking a look at a small business with big ambitions, a company that has a very clear and well-defined route map for achieving those goals. The business is Social Life Network, a pink sheet listed stock with a market cap of just $80.5 million. Social Life Network is a pretty unique company that describes itself as a technology business incubator, or TBI. A TBI is a company that offers advice and support to startups and helps to turn the ideas and insights of would-be entrepreneurs into a viable and functioning business. Social Life Network aims to achieve this by building dedicated online communities for its clients to facilitate social interactions and e-commerce. Social Life Networks uses a combination of AI software and a blockchain to create specialist communities. Social Life takes a 15% equity stake in the companies it is incubating and an annual 5% share of any profits they generate. And that means that the interests of both the incubator and the startups within it are financially aligned. Over the last 6 years, Social Life Networks have built 9 new social networks in areas as diverse as residential real estate, the space industry, outdoor pursuits like hunting, fishing, and camping, and sports such as golf, cycling, soccer, and racket sports. Each of these networks contains a state-of-the-art e-commerce platform within it that allows retailers and consumers to buy, sell, and service products directly through the specialist social networks. Each of the incubated businesses or licensees aims to build their business and communities network to the point where they can sell their platform to a larger industry player or take that business public via an IPO, something that Social Life Networks management refers to as a liquidity event. 3 of Social Life Network's licensees are currently preparing for IPO using Regulation A Tier 2 offerings, an SEC initiative that allows companies to raise up to $20 million without having to register with the SEC, though any offering documents do have to be qualified by the regulator's staff. MJLink.com is a business networking community for the cannabis industry. LikeRE.com is a real estate-focused network, whilst HuntPost.com is a community for those interested in hunting, fishing, and outdoor pursuits. Through a series of industry partnerships, Social Life Network's licensees have the potential to interact with more than 160 million possible users. Most recently, Social Life Networks has been cleaning up its own balance sheet, reducing and removing debts and promissory notes over the company as it prepares to apply for a move from the pink sheet listing to an OTC QB listing, and from there to eventually move to the NASDAQ, though that process is likely to take several years to achieve. Social Life Networks tries to be as transparent as possible with its shareholders and the markets, and the company regularly publishes podcasts on their website, including 2 in the last week. Social Life Networks has come to the attention of Wall Street traders, and Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking database, has highlighted 350 separate requests for information on the company from 320 individual institutional investors, a level of activity that has taken Social Life Networks into the top 10 most researched OTC tickers. What's also very interesting is the fact that short interest in Social Life Network stock has fallen by 97.88% since the end of April, according to data from OTCmarkets.com. If short sellers are covering their positions, it could mean they expect the share price to rally. That hasn't happened over the last quarter. In fact, Social Life Network's shares have fallen by 47.76% in that period. However, given that they were up by some 10,400% over the previous 6 months, some kind of pullback was almost inevitable. Social Life Networks is very much a play on the future success of its licensees and startups. But if the incubated, targeted social networking model that the company operates can be shown to work and can be replicated in dedicated communities for other business areas, then the equity stakes and revenues shares that Social Life Networks has in and with its licensees could become very hot properties indeed, and no doubt that is what's got Wall Street traders excited. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.